Are you wondering how to write a great persuasive essay? It's easy if you follow the right steps. Start by taking a side on an issue and build a strong argument for or against it. The goal of a persuasive essay is to sway the reader to your side. Remember to think of the audience. Knowing who will be reading your essay helps you decide which mode of persuasion to use: ethos, logos, or pathos. Find reliable evidence from reputable sources. Research both sides for an effective counter-argument. Before writing your essay, find reliable evidence from reputable sources to use as evidence. Also, research both sides for an effective counter-argument. The introduction introduces the background of the essay, and the thesis statement declares the side you will take in the essay. The body includes all supporting evidence and refutes counter-arguments. The conclusion summarizes the major points of the essay. By the end of your essay, the reader should be on your side. Don't make the mistake of arguing both sides. Do engage your audience with a passionate voice. Don't introduce new information in the conclusion. Do remember your goal is to convince the reader your side is correct.